Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Akanksha. So it has been long days since I've not been on YouTube, and I really appreciate the fact that you have waited for my videos this long. So here I am today coming up with a great comparison between two cheek tints. One is the Dr. Earth and another is Benefit's Bennett cheek tint. So without further ado, let's get started with the video. So you remember the times when you may have cried for a certain reason, and then suddenly you wake up and have a look at the mirror, then you will find that you have a really nice, naturally looking blushed cheeks and nose. So this is when I often thought, why can't I have this kind of look every day? So that's when I thought to Google once and look around for the options available in the market. So at that time, Benefit's Bennett tint was quite renowned in the market. So I just thought to give it a try, and I bought it like few years back. So I've used it quite a bit. So I'll give you my review on it today. And like few months back, I also discovered the Dr. Earth's lip and cheek tints. So let's have a look at the packaging of Dr. Earth lip and cheek tints. So the pot is quite okay. It's just that you need to have clean hands in order to get the product out of the pot. That's after that only you can put your fingers on your face. And third is, it is a really forgiving blush. If in case you have taken a bit more of the product, then you need to kind of spread it on your hand, and then you can take it on the places where you want the blush to be, and then you can spread it very nicely. In case you have taken a lot of product on the cheeks itself, then it is really nicely blendable, that you can blend it nicely and it will give you a really subtle, natural look. So the quantity of product is quite nice. Even if you use this product almost every day, then it can at least last you for 6 months. This is actually very great for the price point. So there are 3 variants in the Dr. Earth lip and cheek tints. So the first one is their Toffee Nude, whose base pigment is rust color. And the second one is their Pinot Noir, whose base color is a berry color, which is an excellent combination. And the third one is the natural blush color, which is pink. And they are all naturally derived, and they are beeswax free, and they are completely vegan. And out of everything, the most important thing is it suits all the skin type. So now let's talk about the Benefit cheek tint. So as you have a look at the packaging, it is quite nice. They have taken care the hygienic point of view. They've given the applicator using which you can apply the product on your cheeks and lips. So that's actually nice. So there are less chances of product wastage if you have closed the bottle properly. So as we see on the back of the product, it is mentioned that it contains quantity of 6.0 ml, and you can also have a look that I have used only 1/3 of the whole bottle till date, and it has been with me for so many years. So I'm not going to tell you the reason exactly over here, so please wait till the comparison section, but I'll be exactly giving you the reason of why exactly the Benefit one is used very less. So the first parameter on the basis of which I'll be able to give you a great comparison is its longevity. So the Benefit one is definitely winning the prize over here because it is completely long lasting whenever we compare it with the Dr. Earth one. It lasts a lot of time more than Dr. Earth one on the cheeks, I would say. In terms of lips, I do not prefer it because it kind of leaves a stain kind of feeling at the at the center of my lips per se. So that's what I don't like. I don't want the stain to be on whole of my lips, or I just don't want it. So I'd not prefer it halfway. Where this is the first parameter. Then coming to the second parameter on the basis of which I'll be able to give you my judgment is the price point. The price point of the Benetint is 1700 plus rupees, I guess, and the Dr. & Art is 795 rupees, I guess. The original price is somewhere around 900, but it is on discount currently on the website. So this is how it is currently being retailed. So I think both will last for a great amount of time as far as the longevity of the product quantity is concerned. So they both win the prize in terms of the price point over here. Then coming to the third parameter on the basis of which I'll be able to judge is how buildable a product is. Then I must say that the Benetint is nicely buildable, but at the same time it is very potent in quantity, that you would not require so much of quantity. So it's like if you have taken a little 3 dots and if you will apply it nicely, then it's gonna stay over there for a great amount of time. Whereas the Dr. & Art one you may need to build it for more times in order to give the blush you are looking for. So it depends on person to person. You cannot just say that it doesn't, one of them is winning the drill or another is not. So I must say that on the basis of buildability, they both are winning their points equally. Then comes to how and what kind of look one is able to provide. Then to be more specific with you, this depends from person to person. Like I like the glow from Dr. & Art more than the Benetint one. Now the fourth parameter on the basis of which I'll be able to actually conclude something is how forgiving a product is. Then when it comes to Dr. & Art, I actually find it very forgiving because it is very nicely buildable. In case I have kind of messed up with the blush or lips, in case of lips there is no need to worry. But in case I messed up somewhere in terms of blush, then I can just simply take my hand and rub it over my face, then it will kind of just get away, or it is kind of making my skin look not overdone but at the same time is having the tint of color. So that's what the feeling I am able to get with the Dr. & Art one. Whereas in terms of in case of Benetint, I feel that once it is applied on the skin, you need to either take it off using Bioderma Sensible H2O or use oil cleanser to clean your skin. So it's not forgiving at all according to me. You can build it up for sure, that's not an issue, but the issue is in case I have done the blush over here, so then what I need to do? Then in that case you need to simply clean it. You just cannot think like that you will rub like something like this and it will get away. No, it's not like that. So I quite find the Dr. & Art very, very forgiving. So the final verdict comes to the Dr. & Art winning the prize according to me, because I really like it, and the glow and the feeling, the forgiveness and the price point, everything it has is worth the money. This is what I feel, and I forgot to tell you, it's completely natural. So I always feel relieved whenever I apply it on my skin. That's all from my side, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. And give me any suggestions, any comments you may think that needs to be told to me. So don't hesitate at all, give me all the comments, all of the things which you may feel. And in case you want me to do any videos of any sort, then please put down in the comment below. I'll read all of them and I'll make sure that I cater to all the videos which you may ask for. So that's all from my side, guys. See you again on my next video, and take care. Bye bye. In case I have missed anything, you will get the details in the description below, including the price details of all the products.